Toyota has significantly expanded Android Auto integration across their vehicle lineup. Turn-by-turn navigation in the instrument cluster has become standard in most 2023 and newer models. This integration is available on key Toyota models, including the Camry from 2022 onwards, RAV4 from 2023, Highlander from 2023, the new Prius from 2024, and the Crown from 2023. To use Android Auto, you need an Android device running version 6.0 or higher, and a compatible navigation app like Google Maps or Waze. The system operates through two main displays: the primary infotainment touchscreen and the digital instrument cluster that shows simplified turn-by-turn directions. Key features include directional arrows with distance indicators, street name display, lane guidance visualization, speed limit information, and traffic condition alerts. Setting up the system involves connecting your phone via USB cable initially, pairing your device, selecting your preferred navigation app, configuring display preferences, and setting up Google Assistant integration. Toyota's Android Auto integration provides seamless navigation and connectivity, transforming how drivers interact with their vehicles while maintaining Toyota's reputation for reliability and user-friendly technology. Getting the most out of Toyota's Android Auto starts with proper customization. You can optimize your display settings to match your driving preferences and needs. First, customize your map orientation. You can choose between north up, which keeps north at the top of the display, or heading up, which rotates the map based on your driving direction. Adjust your display brightness for optimal visibility in different lighting conditions, and customize information density to show more or fewer details based on your preferences. Keep your system updated with over-the-air updates. Toyota regularly releases improvements to Android Auto functionality that download automatically to your vehicle. These updates improve system responsiveness, add new features, and enhance compatibility with the latest Android versions. Your vehicle downloads these automatically when connected to Wi-Fi. Looking ahead, Toyota is implementing deeper Google Services integration. This includes Google built-in features that work seamlessly with your vehicle's native systems. Emerging technologies include augmented reality navigation that overlays directions directly onto your view of the road, and AI-enhanced routing that learns from real-time traffic patterns. By 2026, all Toyota models are expected to support wireless Android Auto connectivity. The goal is better harmonization between Toyota's interface and Android Auto, with deeper integration into Toyota Safety Sense. User satisfaction is already high, with research showing 95% satisfaction rates for navigation clarity and 89% accuracy for voice commands. Most users prefer the instrument cluster display over their smartphone screen.